Good afternoon, students. In this class, we are going to learn simple present. The uses in the simple present. We use the simple present to talk about habits and routines. When you are going to talk about habits, we have an example. I go to movie with my friend every month. When we are going to talk about routines, we are going to give you an example. She gets up at 8:30 a.m. every day. Now we are going to talk or we are going to teach the structure. How do you make sentence? First, I have four kinds of sentence in the simple present. We have the affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. The grammar structure to make affirmative sentence is the subject plus a verb and plus a complement. And the example we are going to say you, she goes to the school at 7 o'clock. In this case, she is the subject, goes the verb, to the school at 7 o'clock is the complement. We have the second way or the second kind of sentence, negative sentence. The grammar structure to make negative sentence is the subject plus the auxiliary verb plus the negation plus the verb and the complement. In the simple present, we have two auxiliary verbs, do and does. Do is used with I, you, we, and they. Thus is used with he, she, and it. We have two examples. The number one, Rose does not play the guitar. And the second example, I do not watch TV every morning. For questions, we have two kinds of questions, yes, no question, and a WH or information questions. In order to make yes, no questions, you can do an auxiliary verb plus a subject plus a complement plus a question mark. For example, do you study English now? This is the auxiliary, this is the subject, this is the verb, the complement, and the question mark. The answer, we have two kinds of answer, short answer, affirmative short answer, and negative short answer. Affirmative short answer, yes, I do. And negative, no, I do not. For affirmative short answer, we need yes, comma, subject, and auxiliary. For negative, no, comma, subject, auxiliary verb, and the negation. In order to make a WH or information questions, you need the WH word, the plus auxiliary verb, plus the subject, plus the verb, plus the complement and the question mark. In this case, this is the WH word, this is the auxiliary verb, this is the subject, the verb, the complement, and the question mark. The answer, he goes to the gym 3 times a week. We have grammar rulers. To make sentences in simple present with subject in third person of the singular, we need add else or es to the verbs. So, you must know the rulers in order to add it in the correct form. The first rule, the most of the verbs add only is. For example, for need, you add us, needs. For sing, you add us, sings. For put, you add us, puts. In example, Rose needs some cookies. Second rule, verbs ending in way preceded by a vowel add only us. Play, add us, plays. Stay, add else, stays. Say, add else, says. Third ruler, verbs ending in way preceded by a consonant add eos. For example, study, studios, fly, flyos, cry, cryos. In this case, you have to change the way for e and add es. For example, in a sentence, Joseph studies English every Friday. In the fourth ruler, verbs ending in else, ss, sh, ch, x, z, or l add es. For example, dress, dresses. Wash, add eos, washes. Watch, add eos, watches. Do, add eos, does. Mix, add eos, mixes. This is all the class of the simple present. Thank you. Bye.